As you can see, when the ratchet turns tight, that's how you know the spark plug is snug. Okay, it's got the appropriate torque. And so now I have my 4 spark plugs. Okay? I do not need the needle nose pliers to pull apart anything. I just have it there. And that's what it is. You have 10 millimeter socket wrench. Have there your spark plug tune-up kit from AutoZone. And so, not a problem. From here forth, you will find that I will wipe these buoys, and then I'm going to put together the buoys back into each of the 4 spark plug areas. So hold on.